Garmin has finally launched the CIRQA smartband, its first ever screen-free fitness tracker, priced at $199 with no monthly subscription. It's designed to compete directly with the Whoop 5.0, Fitbit Air, and Amazfit Helio Strap, but it brings Garmin's powerful fitness platform into a lightweight band. So what's new? What features do you get? And is the Garmin CIRQA actually worth buying? Welcome back to Smartwatch Radar. Let's get started. Design and build. The Garmin CIRQA follows a simple, minimalist design with no display, making it comfortable enough to wear all day and even while sleeping. You can wear it on your wrist or upper arm, and Garmin includes a single physical button that lets you quickly start activities without opening the app. The fabric band is lightweight, comfortable, washable, and available in several color options. If you've used a Whoop or Fitbit Air before, the design will feel familiar, but Garmin has focused on keeping everything simple while making it more practical for everyday wear. Battery life. Battery life is another strong point. Garmin claims up to 10 days of battery life on a single charge, which is enough for continuous health tracking without charging every couple of days. While Whoop can last slightly longer, the CIRQA still delivers excellent battery performance for a screen-free wearable. Health and fitness features. This is where the CIRQA really stands out. It tracks 24/7 heart rate, HRV status, body battery, sleep score, pulse ox, stress, skin temperature, breathing variations, calories, steps, and recovery insights. Garmin also includes VO2 max, recovery time, training status, Garmin Coach, custom workouts, strength training with rep counting, and support for more than 80 activity profiles. Most of these advanced features are usually found on Garmin smartwatches, making the CIRQA one of the most feature-packed, screen-free fitness bands available. Connectivity and smart features. The CIRQA works through the Garmin Connect app and supports connected GPS, meaning it uses your phone's GPS for outdoor activities. You also get live track, incident detection, Find My Phone, automatic activity syncing, and Garmin True Up. So your health and workout data stays synchronized if you also own a Garmin smartwatch. Another major advantage is that Garmin doesn't lock these core features behind a monthly subscription, unlike some competitors. What's new? Compared to Garmin's traditional smartwatches, the CIRQA introduces a completely new product category for the company. The biggest upgrades include Garmin's first screen-free smartband, more than 80, automatic activity profiles full Garmin, Connect integration, Garmin Coach and advanced training insights, connected GPS support, a lightweight fabric design with up to 10-day battery life, no required monthly subscription. Instead of replacing a smartwatch, the CIRQA is designed for users who want continuous health tracking without wearing a large watch all day. Can it beat Whoop, Fitbit Air, and Amazfit? For many users, yes. If your main priority is advanced fitness tracking, recovery insights, and Garmin's powerful training platform, the CIRQA offers far more features than Fitbit Air and doesn't require a subscription like Whoop. Whoop still has an advantage with its longer battery life and deeper recovery coaching, while Fitbit Air focuses more on simplicity. The Amazfit Helio Strap remains a strong alternative, but Garmin's mature ecosystem and training tools give the CIRQA a clear advantage for runners, cyclists, and serious fitness users. Price. The Garmin CIRQA is officially priced at $199, making it one of the most affordable ways to access Garmin's advanced health and fitness platform. Final verdict. The Garmin CIRQA isn't trying to replace a smartwatch. Instead, it's designed for people who want accurate health tracking, recovery insights, and advanced fitness features without a screen constantly demanding attention. If you already use Garmin products or want a powerful screen-free fitness tracker without paying a monthly subscription, the CIRQA is easily one of the best new wearables of 2026. That's my first look at the Garmin CIRQA smartband. Let me know what you think about Garmin's first screen-free fitness tracker. And don't forget to subscribe to Smartwatch Radar for more reviews, comparisons, and the latest wearable tech up.